actually how the light is. And take it down or take it up. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another unboxing video. In this video, I'm going to unbox, test, and also leave a review on this professional photo and video LED light kit, the ProLED 600. Now, if this is what you're here for, please do well to like this video, subscribe, and now let's get started. Yeah. If you're trying to buy an LED light or you're trying to upgrade your lighting system and this ProLED 600 is in one of your options and you want to know how it actually is, then this video is for you, because I'm going to unbox it, set it up, test it, and also tell you if it is actually worth buying. So this is how this light came in. I'm going to show you what is inside, but before I do that, this light also comes in with a tripod stand. So if you're going to buy, make sure they give you a tripod. There's no additional fee for getting the tripod. It comes in with the tripod. So this is how the light came in. This is how it is, and I've actually opened it. All of them were wrapped, but I've opened all of them. So this is the battery charger. This first one here is the battery charger, and these two are the batteries that it came with. It is rechargeable. You can use this without NEPA, without direct light. You can charge these batteries with this battery charger and use it. Actually, it took 30 to 45 minutes for each battery to get full. I'm going to show you how you're going to charge the battery using this battery charger. Now this is what you're going to attach to the light itself before you put it to the tripod so that you can turn it. And then this is the adapter. This one here is the adapter. This is what you use if there is light. If you don't want to use the batteries, you can use this and plug it to direct light. Now this is the light itself. This is how it is. This is how the light is. Opening this up, this is how it is. This is actually how the light is. It's not too small. It's portable. And then this is the back of the light. I'm going to show you the functions of all this, but before that, let me start with the most important. If there is light, once you have light, get your battery charger. This is how it is. This is how you're going to plug it in, and put this battery, this is your battery, put it here. And plug it to charge. It took 30 minutes for one of the batteries to get filled up, and then it took 45 minutes for the other battery. I don't know why. There will be a green light if it's low, and there will be a green light to indicate that the battery is full. And you can use this once there is no light. Now this is the adapter. You can plug this in when there's light and you want to use your LED light when there's light. You use this adapter. The only thing I don't like about this is that it is short. It is not actually long. So there's limited space. You have to be near the socket if you want to plug it. Now for the light itself, this is how it is. This is the place you're going to put the battery. I'm going to test everything out. You're going to see how it is with the battery and how it is with direct light. Now this is the on and off, and this is where you're going to put it if you want to use light. Now for the function of this rotor, like I said, you have to attach it to the light before putting it on the tripod. And this is the function. As you can see, if I loosen it up, you can take it down or take it up, anyhow you want the light to be, up or down. If you have a cooking channel and you want the light to be down, you can actually use this and just put it down and tighten it up. But now I'm going to test the light itself. So I have plugged this thing in, and now I have to switch it on. As you can see, there is this green light here. Now this is to increase the brightness. This is the dim side and it's here. So I have to increase the brightness if I want it to come on. And then this is to change the light setup. I'm going to do all that. So I've switched this on now, and this is how it looks on me. I'm sure you can see the difference. Basically, I'm using my ring light now, so I'm going to switch off my ring light and switch this thing on again. I'm going to switch off everything and switch just the light on. So this is how my setup looks without any light. Like there's no light, my ring light is off, and this LED light is off. So I'm going to switch the LED light on, just the LED light, no ring light, and this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, it's so bright. This is the, oh my god, this is the brightest. You can't look directly to this light for a long time. Like I'm looking at it now. Now I'm looking here. I can't really see myself. I'm confused. I actually recommend this light if you're looking in the market to get a light. Like this thing is so bright. I cannot use the highest because it's too bright. It's blinding. You cannot even put it in front of you. This is not in front of me right now because if I put it in front of me, I can't see. Like I cannot see at all. I'm going to switch on my ring lights now so that I will show you the different light setup this thing has. So now this place that it says color, this light has 3 color light options, and this is the pure white light. This is how the pure white light looks like. And then this is the warm light. This is it being warm, and then this is pure yellow light. So you can use any of the 3 if you're increasing or decreasing. Oh my god, this thing is too bright. Let me reduce the brightness. It's so bright. It's so bright. I highly recommend it. The only downside is that the adapter is not long at all. Now I'm going to test it with the batteries. It's basically the same thing, but I'm going to test it with the battery so you see how it looks like. For the battery, you just have to insert it here and here. You need the 2 batteries for it to work. So that's what I'm going to do now. So it is fixed now, and I'm going to test it out for you guys to see. As you can see, it works. I don't know how long it lasts, but I think it should last up to an hour or maybe less. I do not know yet. Probably if I film with the rechargeable, the batteries for a long time and it goes off, I'll leave it down in the description for how long it lasts. But this is how it is, and I absolutely recommend this light. So basically this is without the light, and then this is with the light. It's really blinding, so I don't want to look at it. This is with the light. If I put it in front of me, this is how it will look like. I'm holding it now because there's something in front of me, but if you put it in front of you, this is how your video is going to look like. And this is without my ring light. This is just the LED light. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do also like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me if you're actually going to buy the light now. Bye.